We are a medical equipment manufacturer with a broad range of products, ranging from diagnostic images through ultrasound all the way to lab diagnostic. And the mission of the service organization, where we apply data analytics, is to keep those products healthy and to make sure they're available when a customer needs them.
It's a matter of minutes, so it's important that the technology is there, it's up and running.
If I have a computed tomography system in my emergency room, I need that to be working when a patient comes in.
I think we have 240,000 customer or patient touch points every hour.
What we want to really do is to focus on generating the insights out of the data. So we really need a solution which takes care of that in a most automatic and scalable fashion.
Teradata has big advantage that it really works on a global scale. We have terabytes of data in 70 countries, so in the end it needs to scale. We want to have the right answer before our customers have even the question.
That includes, for example, proactive or predictive services. Something is breaking in the next 10 days, we better come and fix it before it actually happens.
Our mission is really to get from a data level to answers to better outcomes for our customers. And Teradata Vantage can help us in that game.